Hello. Hey guys. It's me, Tasia, and you are watching Tasia View. And today, my eyes are already done. And that is because I want to do a foundation review of the lovely Juvia's Place. It is the Velvety Matte Foundation and it is full coverage. That is it. I do love full coverage, so let me tell you, if this comes through for me, it'll be in my trusty dusty category. I don't know, I'm excited. So let's get to it. So I just took it out of the packaging and this is the little tube. Super cute. I am in the shade 500 Bogota. 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 All right, so to start off my foundation, obviously we need some primer, and today I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Looks like this. And I already do have moisturizer on, and I've been using the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Balancing Moisturizer, and I love it. Love it. My face is always like so smooth and soft. I'm like, dang girl, you know what you're doing. Like, that's how it makes you feel. It makes you feel good. So I'm gonna prime. Just a couple. Okay. And I have not used this primer yet, so we will see how I like it. I've heard nothing but good reviews, so I mean, why not? I got that on. It definitely is super smooth, so I like that. It just feels like kind of like a blank canvas, like anything is ready to be put on top of this. It does say to apply the product with a wet beauty sponge, so got mine damp and we're just gonna get into it. Now let me tell you, I hope this matches, because that's the one thing. If you ask me one thing that just I can't even handle, it is finding my correct foundation color. I don't know. It's just like, it's a real task. So yeah, but hopefully this is it. So just a couple dabs. And we are going to blend. Just dabbing motions. On camera right now, I feel like I look like, what the hell? But in person, it's not that off. So I feel like once it oxidizes and everything, it'll be perfect. Perfect. I mean, it's definitely full coverage for sure. I do like how smooth my skin looks. So like I feel like I can throw my blush, my bronzer, my highlighter, everything on top of this and it's gonna look good. It's all gonna blend. So let's not speak too soon, but we will find out. All right, so I'm ready to put on my bronzer, my blush, my highlighter, my lips, everything else that I have to do. And then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. I am back. I am done, completely finished. This is what I went with today. Just like a nude lip, you know, highlight, of course, hello. Duh. But applying everything went smooth, nothing moved, the foundation didn't go anywhere. Sometimes when I apply foundation and then like everything dries and sets in, sometimes there will be like some spotting around this area, but there is nothing so far, so that is good news. So it's currently 2:05, so I am gonna wear this throughout the day, and I will be back in to check in with you guys, but this is it for now. I'm like, okay guys, I'm done. No lower lashes, no color underneath, done. You know what? I am done. I'm done with myself. And now it is safe to say I am done. So I will check in with you guys soon. Hey guys, I'm back. I have been gone, it's 7:30, so I've been gone for about 5.5 hours. And look at my face. I mean, nothing has moved, nothing has changed, nothing has went anywhere. It is all here. Something this good deserves to be praised. Juvia's Place, you have outdone yourself. I mean, my face still looks good, like nothing has melted off, slipped away. Like, I'm not super oily. If you have not yet tried the Juvia's Place foundation, you definitely need to try the Juvia's Place foundation. All right, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, but most importantly, make sure you subscribe so you can stay along for the journey. Bye.